Hi everyone, this is Francisco, and in this video I wanted to talk about razors, shaving razors. I've been using the same ones for like 6 or 7 plus years, and I actually bought some of these, like Gillette ones. The secret is for you people to run them underneath hot water, and I've tried it before. When I'm shaving, it really it hurts when I'm attempting to shave, not against the grain but like towards the grain. And so yeah, like that's when they're like super cold, the metal. But once you guys heat it up, like especially if the water's super hot, like boiling hot, like in a cup or something, then you guys will be able to shave very easily, even against the grain. So yeah, it really works. So you guys won't have to constantly pay for shavers. And I wish that I could create a full-blown demonstrational video like other YouTubers do, where they actually insert short clips and photos with the transitions and the photo and video editing type of features. But you guys get the idea mentally. You guys can kind of see something like someone trying to shave, but their body language is showing all of you that way is super hard and painful as you attempt to shave with a dull razor. And then obviously transitioning to having the same razor underneath hot water, flowing water, and then reapplying or attempting to shave and the hair just falling right off or getting shaved off right away immediately. That type of concept. I just don't have the software to do that anymore, especially with this computer. It's a laptop. It's a Google Chromebook that I purchased through Best Buy for only like $250. And I think it might have been more affordable, like $200. But either way, I don't have the money to buy an expensive computer. Well, even though they're affordable or considered affordable, but I've just been super broke and hard timing it. So I mean, obviously, you know, if I'm recording this video talking about razors, some of you out there, you guys have the money to buy razors all the time and to lose them or to misplace them, and you know, things of that nature. But there's some people that are less fortunate, and those are the people that I'm sharing this information with. And it's a proven fact for me. Like I said, I've been using the same ones for like 8 years, and I could pull out some of my old dual razors and just run boiling hot water, to the touch, something that will burn you, like if you were to touch it, the water, then that's the temperature you guys want. So you're not going to be rinsing your hands or using that water to apply on your face, because it will burn you. What you want to do is simply run the razor and the metal underneath that hot flowing water, and for some reason it just helps to like restore those razor blades and for them to work very efficiently, and it's just effortless for it to shave your hair off. So yeah, I just wanted to record this video because I don't know if I have already recorded a video like this. Honestly, I probably have, but it's just something that's been on my mind to share with all of you out there. And even like the cheaper ones, like I'm assuming like these right here that only have like a few little blades, I think that and these things are disposable, but I think that a lot of you buy these and you guys throw them away after a few uses, or the same day, like after a few strokes, because they get so doled out very quickly. I've tried some of these and they don't really work that well, especially if you guys buy some from like the Dollar Tree or that 99-cent store, or like from like a gas station or something like that, liquor store. But I'm telling you guys that this method, it really works. So yeah, if you guys are ever shaving and encounter this problem with your shaver, just remember to run it underneath hot water, boiling water. And you guys don't have to have the faucet like super like flowing drastically, like all the way on. You guys can just have it like on a small little stream, just to get the razor blades really hot. And yeah, you guys will notice a huge difference. So yeah, I just wanted to share this with all of you so that you guys won't have to constantly pay for razors, shavers, or whatever. You guys will be able to reuse your razors over and over for years. Thank you all for watching, and have a great day.